Hi, I'm Tara Ann. Give me a nod if you've ever thought, once I get the certification, I'll be ready. That was me. When I joined the CFJ Coaching Success School, I was recovering from burnout, seizures, and losing my home. I had passion, a certification, and zero systems. I thought hustle and heart would be enough. What I found out is, this isn't a course. This is an apprenticeship of the heart. Over 4 years, I went from surviving seizures to being 3 years seizure-free. From undercharging and overfunctioning to filling a roster of 13 one-on-one clients. From trying to graduate to learning how to root. Year 1, I learned to connect, invite, and propose. Year 2, I hosted complimentary events and expanded into leadership coaching. Year 3, I hired a money coach and cleaned up my finances. And year 4, I stopped trying to prove myself and started building consistency in providing value. I got a one-on-one coach and finally started to root. Maybe you've thought, I should already know this. But building your business isn't about knowing, it's about becoming again and again. You've been taught to do it alone, but staying, being seen, being coached, it builds a sustainable practice and a sustainable self. The CFJ school didn't just grow my business, it's grown me. It didn't turn me into someone different. It taught me how to garden my gifts with presence, care, and trust in the process. If you're on the fence, do whatever you can to get the support you need at your pace and your way. Because the most aligned path won't always feel like a hell yes. Sometimes it starts with an honest, oh no. And that's the moment you know it's going to grow you.